11 Amazing benefits of baking soda for hair, skin and body. Did you know that one simple ingredient that we all have in our kitchen can do wonders for your skin, hair, and body? This inexpensive and effective ingredient can have a wide range of uses. Well, here we are talking about baking soda. Baking soda, or also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a natural substance that is crystalline, but it can also appear as a fine powder. Baking soda possesses potent antibacterial, antiseptic, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. It can treat a number of health issues including colds, oral problems, and skin issues. Using baking soda can be effective only if it is used for short periods. The excessive use can damage your hair and skin. Also, it is very important to do a patch test in order to see if your skin is sensitive. Here are 10 benefits of baking soda for your hair, skin, and body. 1. Fights acne and pimples. There is no need to use harmful chemicals in order to get rid of pimples or acne. Baking soda is an easy and effective solution. It possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties that will reduce the symptoms of acne and other breakouts. Moreover, it can balance the pH of the skin, which in turn will reduce the occurrence of skin breakouts. 2. Brightens yellow teeth. Baking soda is excellent for whitening your teeth. It works as a mild abrasive and can remove the yellow stains from your teeth. Moreover, it neutralizes acids produced by the bacteria. It helps remove plaque. 3. Relieves sunburn and sunburn blisters. Baking soda has an alkaline nature and has a soothing effect on the sunburned skin. It has the ability to relieve the itching and burning sensation. Moreover, it possesses antiseptic and drying properties that help dry out sunburn blisters. 4. Improves skin complexion. There are many people who have a problem with the uneven skin. Baking soda can effectively solve your problem and make your skin brighter and treat the uneven tone. Being a great exfoliating agent, baking soda will remove the dead cells. Moreover, it can balance pH levels of the skin, thus maintaining your skin even and clear. 5. Treats stained or yellow nails. Stained nails can be really embarrassing, right? Baking soda can help you to whiten your nails, so you will no longer have to hide them in your gloves or pockets. It has potent exfoliating and bleaching properties that will effectively remove stains. 6. Treats body odor. Baking soda can act as a natural deodorizer and can treat mild to severe body odor. It has the ability to absorb moisture and sweat from the skin, which in turn reduces body odor. Having potent antibacterial properties, baking soda can kill bacteria responsible for the body odor. 7. Treats smelly and oily hair. People with oily hair are more likely to have a smelly hair. This can be a very embarrassing problem. Oily hair picks up strong smells and environmental pollutants more readily. Baking soda can help you to treat this problem because it can neutralize foul odors and reduce oiliness. Moreover, it has an alkaline nature and can balance the pH levels of the scalp, thus keeping it clean and healthy. 8. Removes dandruff. Dandruff can be really difficult to eliminate, especially during the winter months. However, it is not impossible to get rid of dandruff. With regular and proper care of your hair, you can effectively and easily eliminate dandruff. Baking soda clarifies the scalp and eliminates the annoying white flakes. Moreover, it is alkaline, so it can balance the pH of your scalp. 9. Heals skin rashes and itchiness. Itchiness and skin rashes can lead to a lot of discomfort. Baking soda can effectively treat these problems. It has potent anti-inflammatory properties and can reduce inflammation, itching and swelling. 10. Treats nail fungus. Nail fungus can make your nails look ugly and cause many discomforts. It is an infection that occurs when fungi start growing under the nails. This results in crusty, thick, discolored and distorted nails. The alkaline nature of baking soda prevents the growth of fungi. 11. Foot soother. After a hard working day, we all want to relax, right? Baking soda can remove dead skin and help you to relax. Mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda and water and soak your feet in the solution. Baking soda will soothe your feet and protect your skin.